Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we have here a Kenmore, this is a limited edition Kenmore top load washer, and the complaint is that it will fill with water, and then after it fills with water it does nothing. It won't agitate, it also will not go into a spin cycle. So the tools needed for this repair are a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. The first thing we're going to do here is open up our console, take a look inside, get our text sheet. To do that, we're going to remove the two Phillips screws from the console. And our console, then we can pull forward on the console and lift it up out of the cabinet. It's on a hinge, or it's hinged, so we can just flip the console back like that, and it shows all of our console parts here. This is where you'll find your text sheet, which was right here. I already removed. So in the text sheet it has some good troubleshooting diagnostic steps. So on this one here, what we have here is it says problem A in the text sheet, washer will not start. There's also another one for washer will not agitate or spin. You can go through either one of these. Either one that you go through should get you to the same scenario, the same part on this particular case here. So if we follow the steps here, basically we're going to use our multimeter, and it says to check for 120 volts between pin 1 and pin 2 on the RP3 of the transformer relay assembly. This is our transformer relay assembly. We're going to plug back in our RP2 connector here. And what we're going to do then is check for that 120 volts AC. So we're going to set our meter to voltage. And that was pin 1 and pin 2 of the R3. This is our R3 or RP3 connection, and pin 1 and 2, one starting at the top. It's going to be our black and white wires, and we do have 120 volts there. So there's kind of a flow chart on where to go if we have correct voltage. So after we check that for correct voltage, we're going to check, now it wants us to check between pin 1 on the RP3 and pin 5 of the RP1 connection. So we're going to go pin 1 of the RP3, which was our white wire here, and pin 5 on our RP1, connection, which is down here, the bottom one here. So we're going to go to the 5th connection, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is our last one, gray wire with just a gray wire there. So, and before what we need to do, and what it says at the very beginning here, is before we start checking any of this, is to press any one of the cycle selector pads. So back on the front of this, if we go to our cycle selector, we can select any one of these. So I'm just going to put it onto a spin cycle here, and we'll continue testing. So we're back, let's see here, so we're going back to that gray wire on the RP1 connection, and we're on the pin 1 of our RP3 at the top there, and we're checking for 120 volts there, which we do have. So then it says if correct voltage there, to check for 17 to 21 volts AC between pin 1 and pin 2 of the RP2 connection on our transformer relay assembly here. So we're going to go to RP2, which is a small connection over here, kind of a ribbon cable connection here, and we're going from pin 1 and pin 2, and we're checking for volts, AC voltage here. So pin 1, pin 2, and I am getting on my multimeter kind of voltage that's jumping all around. It's not staying on any one voltage here, just kind of jumping all around. So so that's improper voltage there, and it says if voltage is incorrect, At this point, between those, it says to replace our transformer relay assembly. So that's going to be our issue. Why our washer won't start, won't spin, won't agitate, just fills with water, is our transformer relay board. So to fix this, repair this, we're going to have to replace our transformer relay board. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.